In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private listing on eBay. If you want to keep bidder identities hidden from other users, eBay gives you a private listing option that you can turn on while editing your item before it goes live. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find that setting from an existing draft and how to publish the listing once it's enabled. To begin, go to eBay and click on Sell. This takes you into the seller area where you can manage active listings, drafts, and other selling tools. If you've already started creating the item and saved it as a draft, this is the quickest way to get back to it. Once you're in the Seller Hub, hover your mouse over Listings. A menu will appear with different listing related sections. From that menu, click on Drafts. This opens the page where your unpublished item listings are stored. Now find the draft you want to update and click Resume Draft. That will reopen the listing editor so you can continue making changes before posting the item. If you have multiple drafts saved, take a second to make sure you're opening the correct one. When the draft opens, scroll down until you reach the pricing section. This part of the listing editor contains options related to how the item will be sold, and it's also where eBay places some additional controls that aren't immediately visible at first glance. In the pricing area, click on See Pricing Options. This expands more settings, including the one you need for making the listing private. If you don't see it right away, just pause for a moment and let the section fully expand. Next, click on Private Listing. This opens or highlights the private listing setting so you can enable it. Then click the Private Listing checkbox to turn the feature on. Once that box is checked, your listing will be marked as private, which helps protect bidder privacy by hiding their identities from other members viewing the listing. Before publishing, it's always a good idea to quickly review the rest of the draft to make sure everything else looks correct, including your price, shipping details, and item description. Since you're already in the editor, this is a convenient time to do a final check. When you're ready, click on List It. That publishes the item with the private listing option enabled. And that's it. That's how to make a private listing on eBay using a saved draft. If you follow these steps carefully, you can update the setting in just a few moments and get your listing live with the privacy option turned on.